What's up guys? This is the Nike Air More Uptempo 96 Europe City Pack in the Italy colorway. These are from Foot Locker, as you can see. Conventional Nike box like all the other pairs. I don't love that. I thought they'd have a special box for these, but no. And here they are in all their glory. I just know somebody's gonna pull up to the gym in these. I just know it, you know? I'm not gonna lie, I would totally do it too. I'm just gonna get right into these sneakers real quick. There, I don't want to cast a shadow on them. Let's get into them in detail right here. Green, white, and red, like the Italy flag, I think. Again, red Nike sign on the bottom. You can see the air unit inside. Italy on the map right here. Pretty fire. Same exact sneaker at the back. Pretty fire. Similar bottoms, except they're opposites. As usual, we gotta toss them on foot here. And you can tell me how you feel about them in the comment section below. Again, my favorite feature with these sneakers here is these lace pull tabs. Hopefully they don't break, but they're an awesome way to put the shoe on. I mean, tell me that's not fire. Tell me. I have to admit the colorway is really nice, although I do worry that I'll get dirty really fast. I feel like they're gonna have a Supreme version one day. Zoom out a little bit. There you go. All in all, I'm a fan of this whole line of sneakers. They're pretty fire. They're comfortable shoes. They're a little bit heavy. I mean, they are high tops, so you can't really expect much more. I mean, you just know that one day they're going to come out with a Flyknit version of these, but hopefully that's not too soon, because that might be a little bit too much for me. If you like these sneakers, let me know in the comment section. The colorway is fire. Like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye.